Hey there, fellow home cooks! Ever wondered what to do with those broccoli and cauliflower stems after you've used the florets? Well, today I've got 4 fantastic and delicious recipes that'll transform those leftover stems into culinary delights. So before you toss them out, grab a cuppa and let's get cooking. First up, we've got a heartwarming broccoli stem soup. Here's what you need: 2 cups of broccoli stems, 1 chopped onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 4 cups of vegetable broth, salt, and pepper to taste. In a pot, sauté the onions and garlic until fragrant. Add the broccoli stems and vegetable broth, bring to a boil, then let it simmer for 20 minutes. Blend until smooth, season, and voila. A creamy, comforting soup perfect for any day. Next, how about a fresh and crunchy coleslaw? For this, you'll need 1 cup of broccoli stems, 1 cup of cauliflower stems, 1 grated carrot, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of honey, and salt and pepper. Shred the stems and carrot, then mix with the mayo, vinegar, and honey. Season to taste and chill for an hour. This coleslaw is the perfect side to any meal and adds a delightful crunch. Now for something fun and a bit different, stem noodles. Grab 3 cups of broccoli and cauliflower stems, a spiralizer, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 minced garlic cloves, salt, and pepper. Spiralize the stems into noodles. In a frying pan, heat the olive oil and cook garlic until golden. Toss in the stem noodles. Cook for about 5 minutes until tender. Season and serve with your favorite sauce. Healthy, delicious, and a great way to use those stems. Finally, let's whip up some broccoli stem hummus. You'll need 1 cup of steamed broccoli stems, 1 can of chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of tahini, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, 1 garlic clove, and salt. Blend all the ingredients in a food processor until smooth. Serve with pita bread or veggies. This hummus is creamy, nutritious, and super easy to make. There you have it. 4 incredible ways to turn those leftover stems into tasty dishes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing recipes. And remember, the kitchen is your playground, so have fun. Catch you next time. Happy cooking.